Hi, my name is Claire, and today I am guiding you through Google Maps. Google Maps is an incredibly versatile tool. It makes it quick and easy for you to find your way from point A to point B, whether that's a quick jaunt down the street or a cross-continental trip. Best of all, it's completely free. In this video, I will teach you how to get started with Google Maps from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. With a little practice, you'll never get lost again. Let's dive it in together now. First of all, open Google Maps. It has an icon with a colorful pin, and it might have a map background and the letter G on it. Tap the icon on your smartphone or tablet. Google Maps works best if you have locations turned on. To turn on locations on Android, swipe down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers. Then tap the locations icon that resembles a map marker. Type an address or name of a place in the search bar. The search bar is at the top of the screen on smartphones and tablets, and in the upper left corner in a desktop web browser. Type an address or landmark name into the search bar. This displays a list of search results below the search bar. For example, do you want to find 9 Floral Street, London, in UK? You type exactly that into the search bar, 9 Floral Street, London, UK. Add the zip code if you know it can help Google Maps find the place you are looking for, but you often won't need it. You can use the name of a specific place or a city as well. For example, if you want to find the British Museum, you might type in British Museum directly. While if you want to find the city of New York, you just type in New York in the search bar. You can zoom in and out on the map by placing your thumb and index finger on the screen and move them apart or bringing them closer together. On a web browser, use the mouse wheel or the plus or minus keys to zoom in and out. To get directions, tap Directions. It's the blue button at the bottom left of the screen. This displays a line on the map that highlights the route to the location you searched for. The color of the line indicates traffic conditions. To edit the starting point of the directions, type the name or address of the starting location in the bar at the top of the page on mobile, or at the top of the panel to the left in a web browser. Tap the button that says Steps and More to view a list of turn-by-turn directions. There is no Directions button when using Google Maps on a web browser. However, it will display directions to your location automatically. Now, click Start. It's the blue button at the bottom of the screen. This starts navigation directions to your locations. Google will tell you where to turn to get to your destination. If you get multiple routes, tap the one that you wish to use. Often, Google Maps will offer you more than one route from the starting point you choose to your destination. For each route, it will display an estimated travel time for the trip and a short description of the route. Pick the route from the list that is most appealing to you. This may be the shortest one, the one that avoids highways, tolls, or traffic congestion. Guided navigation is not available when viewing Google Maps on a desktop browser. To select the transportation method, click on one of the transport methods from the list below the destination bar, select one of the options, and tap Start. This starts navigation directions to your locations. Google will tell you where to turn to get to your destination. If you get multiple routes, tap the one that you wish to use. Often, Google Maps will offer you more than one route from the starting point you choose to your destination. For each route, it will display an estimated travel time for the trip and a short description of the route. Pick the route from the list that is most appealing to you. This may be the shortest one, the one that avoids highways, tolls, or traffic congestion. Guided navigation is not available when viewing Google Maps on a desktop browser. Would you like a tutorial on a specific topic? Leave your request in the comment. We will be happy to create a video about it. You can also add additional stops to the selected route. Let's see how to do it. Open Google Maps. Tap the Google Maps icon on your home screen or Apps menu to open Google Maps. Get directions to a location. Use the search bar at the top to search for an address or the name of a place. Then tap Directions to get directions to the name of a place. Tap the icon with 3 dots to the right of the search bar at the top. This displays the Options menu. Tap Add Stop. It's in the menu that appears when you tap the icon with 3 dots next to the search bar. This adds another search bar below the starting and ending search bar at the top. Enter an address or name of a place in the new search bar. This adds the new location as a stop along your route. Each time you add a new stop, an additional search bar will appear below the search bars. You can add as many stops as you need. To remove a stop, tap the X icon to the right of a stop at the top of the screen. To change the order of a stop, tap the icon with 2 or 3 lines in the search bar next to a stop. Then drag the stop up or down. Tap Done. It's the blue button below the list of stops at the top of the screen. This finalizes your route. You can tap Start to begin guided navigation. Let's see how to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries. Open Google Maps. Tap the Google Maps icon on your home screen or Apps menu to open Google Maps. Get directions to a location. Use the search bar at the top to search for an address or the name of a place. Then tap Directions to get directions to the name of a place. Tap the icon with 3 dots to the right of the search bar at the top. This displays the Options menu. Tap Route Options. It's the first option at the top of the Options menu. This displays route options you may want to avoid. Tap the checkbox or toggle switch next to the route options you want to avoid. You can tell Google Maps to avoid highways, tolls, or ferries when possible. On iPhone and iPad, you can also tap Remember Settings to apply your route options to all Google Map queries. On Android, tap the blue button that says Done. On iPhone and iPad, tap the icon that resembles a bracket pointing left in the upper left corner to return to the map. Now, let's see how to find local businesses or attractions. First of all, open Google Maps. Select the type of location you're looking for. The tabs below the search bar allow you to search for different types of services near your location. Tap one of the tabs to view a list of nearby services. Swipe left on the tabs to view more options. Options include restaurants, coffee, bars, hotels, gas, attractions, parks, and more. If the service type you are looking for isn't listed, tap More to view all options, or type the service you are looking for in the search bar. You can also type the name of a specific business chain, for instance Starbucks or Walmart, in the search bar to view a list of businesses nearby. Use the tabs and drop-down menus to filter your search results. Once you tap one of the tabs are replaced with tabs and drop-down menus that can be used to filter your search results. Tap one of the tabs or drop-down menus to filter your search results by price, Open Now, Top Rated, Visited, Haven't Visited, Good for Kids, and more. Some options, such as restaurants, have additional options, such as cuisine, or the ability to take reservations. Click or tap a location. Businesses and landmarks are listed at the bottom of the screen or in the panel to the right when viewed on a web browser. Click or tap the name of a location to view information, such as the address, phone number, parking information, website, menu and prices, if applicable, and more. Click or tap the address to mark its location on the map. Click or tap directions to get directions to the business. Click or tap call or the business phone number to dial the business phone number in your smartphone call app. Click or tap prices to view prices for service. Click or tap menu to view a menu of food the business serves. Click or tap reviews to see reviews of the business. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week. See you soon. Cheers!